Buick Encore 2013 to 2022. To remove the door window glass, first remove the door panel by unscrewing one bolt behind the door release handle and a second one in the armrest. Then use a pry tool to pry the panel from the bottom to release the clips and disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors. Next, disconnect the connector from the window motor. Loosen the bolt that secured the glass, but do not remove them completely. After that, unscrew all the bolts holding the window regulator and motor in place. Lower the regulator to very bottom of the door. You will then be able to turn the glass sideways and pull it out through the top.